Hey there, all you young artists and pie lovers. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving into the world of sweet treats as we draw a scrumptious slice of pecan pie. It's gonna be as fun as it is tasty. So grab your art supplies and let's get started on this yummy adventure. To begin, draw a triangle shape with slightly rounded edges at the top. We want our pie slice to look as cute as it is delicious. Now add a thick base to make it look super fluffy. Next up, let's make our pie look even more tempting. Draw the crust with lovely wavy edges to give it that homemade charm. Now, let's give our pie a bit of character. Add 2 big round eyes and a smile. Because who doesn't smile when they see pie, right? Oh, and speaking of smiles, let's make our pie even more irresistible. Add a drizzle of rich melted chocolate on top. Yum! Our pie is already a fall pecan delight, but let's take it up a notch. Add some crushed pecans to the pie because more pecans mean more deliciousness. And don't forget a dollop of whipped cream on the side. What's pie without whipped cream after all? To finish off, add loads of pecan sprinkles on the chocolatey layer to make it a perfect fall delight. And let's not forget to sprinkle a few pecans on the ground near our pie to set the stage. Now, it's time to bring our pie to life with color. Start by coloring the crust with a lovely golden peach color, just like you get after a perfect bake. The baked layer should have the same peachy hue. The yummy melted chocolate drizzle, of course, needs to be in classic rich brown. The pecans should be a rusty orange, just like they become after perfect baking, and the cream carries a lovely beige to make it look absolutely royal. Voila! We've created a delicious, fun, and colorful pecan pie slice. I hope you enjoyed drawing this as much as I did. Now, before we go, if you had a blast with this drawing and want to see more yummy art, please give us a thumbs up by hitting that like button below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more creative adventures. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep drawing, keep creating, and keep having fun.